closer look of my soup. Okay, yeah. So you guys, here is my noodles. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, a YouTuber based in Kaduna. Okay guys, today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday, and I've been sitting down here for like more than 30 minutes because I've just finished preparing food for my family, for my kids. They've gone to school. Abby has also gone to work as well. Yeah, and I was catching up on my videos, trying to post on my other social media, but asked my daughter to cook indomie for me. I actually prepared beans and potato. Yeah, today is Thursday. Probably this is what I used to prepare most. Okay, on Thursdays. So on most Thursdays, not like it's compulsory, but that's what we normally cook. So yeah, I asked her to cook me noodles, and the noodles ready. I want to eat. Yeah, I'll probably take my shower now or later, then go to my shop. I want to carry you guys along. Okay? So you guys, here is my noodles made with geisha, and I have some egg. I'm waiting for my daughter to bring the eggs before I start eating, or maybe eat it later. So that is the update. Come guys, let's eat. Guys, my egg is here. Good evening guys. So I've just closed from the shop, going home. We are going home now. I'm here with Amara, Chidi baby, and Amara. Amara, say hi.
Hi.
The baby, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Show the baby now.
I'm really sure. Hey.
Yeah, so we are heading home right now. I'm going home to go and make ogbono soup. I want to go and make ogbono soup. I bought ogbono in the market and obehe. I'll be fetching what is it called? Vegetable from my compound. I have ugu planted in my compound. It's still there. I'll be using for long. Yeah. So, and I would like to carry you guys along. I don't know if I'm going to use meat or fish yet, but when I go home, we'll find out. Yeah. So see you guys. Bye.
She was pushing too fast. She not the one I want to waste my house. She not can't fish. I put water. She not doing it fast. Not pouring on my clothes now. She's wet.
Go say help you to brush your teeth.
She was brushing my teeth. Then
Let me see your teeth.
she was brushing too fast.
And then
She not pour water. She not pour it carefully and well. It's not pouring on my clothes. So now it's not wet.
sorry.
And she was brushing it. She was doing it like this. It almost cut my mouth.
No, you have to. You have to brush your teeth neat now. Did you tell her thank you?
Yes.
Are you not supposed to thank her? Are you not supposed to be grateful? I go help you to brush your teeth. Boo. Sorry, yeah? Say hi to my fans.
Hi.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Speak louder now.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye. Like, comment, and share.
Like, comment, and share.
I say bye.
Bye, guys.
Good boy.
I've watched plenty of your videos. I know what you say.
Are you serious?
I watched them in there before phone. I watched all of them.
Okay, my former phone. That one that I gave to you.
Yes, I watched all the videos.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. So am I supposed to say hi guys? We are heading to the shop right now. My daughter's going to see Amara, she hair stylist, because she'll be going back to school, and yeah, so I'm waiting for them to come so that we'll head straight to the shop.
Hi.
Here they come. How far?
She said that she does not braid hair, but she directed me to a place, Salvation Hospital.
I used to see her braid hair now.
That's what I'm saying. Then I showed her the style I watched. I was like that she don't have time for that one. I was like, okay, yeah.
Hi guys, good evening. You guys, I'm making soup. It's late, so I just want to rush and put everything in the pot. Yeah, so let's dive right into the video. So I'm actually making spinach soup. Okay, here is my protein. This is my meat. I'm using cow meat. I want to go in with tomato. Going in with tomato and some of the chopped onion. I'll also be going in with, this is voila, smoked fish. So I'm going to cover it and cook. So it's time to go in with our seasoning. This is it's called Bennett pepper and crayfish, onion, oil, this is what our soup looks like. So I want to go in with the spinach. You guys, our soup is ready. So this is spinach soup. I wish I make this soup in the daytime. You see how beautiful it is. I'm turning off the gas right now. So guys, this is closer look. So guys, this is the closer look of my soup. Okay, yeah. So guys, here is my food served with my spinach soup served with apple. Okay, so come, let's eat. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.